Her channel is
Mm.
about bridging gap between education and job industries. So why did you feel that you need to know video editing?
Transcript option,
Yes,
and if I just click on CC button, so that I will get a subtitle. So I use it to improve my spoken English. Yes. Hello.
hello. Hi Rakesh,
Hi,
good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are
How
you?
are you? Oh, I'm
I am
great.
doing
How
good.
are you
Thank
doing?
you. I am
Is
also
your
doing good.
video
Thank you for asking.
off? Oh,
Now, okay. Sorry
yes.
for that. Yes, yes. So,
It's okay.
how about that? Can you see and can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can see you very clearly and I can hear you very clearly as well.
Okay.
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 What have you been up to, Rakesh, since the last time we spoke?
Yes, yes. After that, I just practice. And nowadays, as you know, like I am just at my home, so just practicing and doing my task. So yes, it has been really doing. It has been going well.
Oh, and I recently got to know that you also have your own YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, yes.
I did not know
You
about
did.
it
You was
earlier.
okay. You did know about that.
I recently got
Hello.
to know when one of my friends told me that they watched me on YouTube, and I'm like, how did you watch me on YouTube? And then I
Oh,
came across your video that, oh, I remember talking to Rakesh.
okay, okay. Yes,
Okay.
yes. There are two videos which I have uploaded of us on my channel. Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes. So
okay,
it is
great.
about this
And do you like
conversational. Sorry, please go on. Yeah, you are
No, I was
asking.
asking, like, do
Yes,
you enjoy uploading videos?
yes, yes. I enjoy and also share my opinion. So I have not shared that much video, but now I have started because now I have enough time. So I am into video editing and all those things. So means last
Oh,
year I was not uploading, but in this year nowadays I have been uploading. Yes.
okay,
Mm,
okay. And
mm,
we would talk. Yes, you mentioned video editing. I wanted to ask, how are you
mhm.
learning video editing?
Since I was using KindMaster, that like a KindMaster is easy app. So initial stage I started editing by KindMaster. After that, now I have left off, so I just prefer to use Openshot because it is also a good software. So I can edit my videos easily.
Did you say open source?
Openshot, Openshot. It is name. It is name of the software by which I just edit
Okay,
my video. Yes, yes.
okay.
And initially
I am
I took subscription from KindMaster, and after that I came to know about Vita. But in that there are lots of hindrance and difficulties while I was editing. So I just started using in my laptop by using OpenSource. Yes.
okay, okay, great.
Mhm.
I generally don't know any video editing app. There's one that comes inbuilt with my computer. So I
Mhm.
use only that software. It's called iMovie. But it's not,
iMovie. Okay. I have not
yeah,
heard
it's
about
not
that.
too great. Yes,
Sorry.
it's an inbuilt app. It's an inbuilt
Inbuilt.
app in my computer. So
Mm-hmm.
it's not that great as like Adobe Premiere Pro or other video
Mm-hmm.
editing softwares, but
Yes, yes,
it
yes.
makes simple videos. I've
Yes,
hardly
yes.
put
Yeah, I
anything.
can understand that. But I think as you go into depth, so that you will get to know about that software as well. Even if it is simple, like OpenShot is also a simple software. But as I saw few tutorials of that, so I came to know that it is it has great features, and we can do lots of things in that software. So yes, it is convenient, and also it is free. So because of that, initially I gave 1,200 rupees to KindMaster because at that time I used my mobile to edit my videos. But after that, they increased the price. Kindmaster, like nowadays, it is for 1 year you need to give around 3,500 rupees. So I stopped using that, and I just came on like using laptop. Started using laptop, and there are several softwares are available in free. So I started using those.
Okay, okay. How much time do you take to edit a video on an average?
Yes, it takes time. Initially, as I means just a week ago, I edited my first video. So at that time, I took 3 to 4 hours. It took because it was a long video, and there are so many things which I need to understand, and also so that I watched few tutorials of that, and after that I came to know. Now it takes around 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay, 30 minutes. I still take 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours
Mm-hmm.
at least to edit any video. There are
Yes.
at least like 2 to 4 minute long videos.
Yes,
Take
yes,
lot
because
of time.
yes, it takes lots of time, and there are lots of features in there. So if there means even we don't click anywhere and we just go in another option, so at that time, there is error happens. So that is why we need to be clear about that. Yes.
So why did you feel that you need to know video editing? Like,
Why I need?
yeah, why did you feel that you need to know video editing? For me, the reason was I did not want to pay anyone else. So
Hmm.
I thought I'll edit
Yes.
the video.
Hmm. For me, that is same same thing for me. Like I don't want to add initial set. I don't to pay anyone who can edit my video. And if I go in depth in that skill, so in future I would also work as a freelancer because right now I don't have any income source. Only means on even I don't rely on YouTube because my YouTube channel is monetized, but I didn't get single rupees through YouTube. So I would
Oh,
say like in future, if I develop that skill, so in future I would work as a freelancer, as a video editor. Apart from that, right now, as I believe improving myself or learning new skills. So with the YouTube, I have been learning that skill. So that is great option. That is why I just do.
so yesterday itself, I came across a video that talked about freelancing options, right?
Mm-hmm.
To earn a good income source, like not only
Mm-hmm.
just to sustain yourself, but also buy whatever you want apart from your basic needs. So she
Mm-hmm.
told me the YouTuber's name is Shweta Arora, and her channel is about her channel is about bridging gap between education and job industries, right? So that's
Mm-hmm. Bridging gap. Could you just repeat?
bridging the gap,
Bridging the gap.
bridging,
Bridging
right?
means like
So do you
join.
know bridge? There's a bridge
Yes,
that
yes,
joins
bridge.
one land to other land.
Yes.
That's what I mean.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Education.
it
Okay.
has,
Education to job industry.
yes,
Okay. Yes. Yes.
education and
So
job industry. So
yes.
she recently released a very good video, and she talked about freelancing options, and she talked about four. The one was video editing, and she told that
Mm-hmm.
she herself paid 50,000 rupees to video editor, and
Hmm.
that video
For
editor who was freelancing, he would have Shweta Arora as one of his many clients, and if he
Yes.
had four clients, then he would be earning a lot. Apart
Lot.
from that, she told there's three more jobs. One was thumbnail designing, that you can
Thumbnail
design
design.
the thumbnail
Yes. Yes.
for the
That is
YouTube.
also great. Yes. Yes. Or like
The third one, yes, yes.
yes. Yes. Please go on. Third. Like
So third one was caption writing. So it is very
caption writing.
important to have clickbait caption and lot of hashtags, right? So it
Mm-hmm.
optimizes your search engine so that I'll type certain keywords and their
Mm-hmm.
video would pop up first. That is what search
Mm-hmm.
engine optimization is.
Yes.
And the
Yes. Yes.
last one she told, which I felt was very relevant to me, was
Hmm.
subtitle writing.
Subtitle writing or blogger. I think
So
blogger is
many a
another.
times
Hmm.
blogger,
Hmm.
no, blogger,
Hmm.
you don't earn a lot by blogging.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You
Hmm.
may or may not have a lot of traffic on your
Yes. Yes.
website, on your blog, right?
Yes. Yes.
Subtitle writing is that on YouTube, have you seen that if you turn on the CC option, you will find
Yes. Yes. Transcript.
subtitles below?
Transcript option,
Yes,
and if I just click
transcription.
on CC button, so that I will get a subtitle. So I use it to improve my spoken English. Yes.
Yes, so there are people who write these subtitles, and that's why
Okay.
when you turn on that transcription option or that CC button, you get to see those subtitles. That is
So how they
something I
pay?
felt.
Like if I am a or you are a like a writer, contents subtitle writer. Is it correct? Subtitle writer or content writer?
Yes, subtitle writer,
Subtitle.
not
So
content.
how would we you get paid? Like
So the
for my video, if you are writing subtitles, so how would you get paid? That I need to know.
she told me that it depends a lot upon your level of English. So let's say you are a good English speaker, at least you are a
Hmm.
good writer and you have good command with or on grammar, then you'd get
Hmm.
100 rupees per minute,
Per minute. Okay.
right? So I think she pays somewhere around 12,000 to 15,000 to her subtitle writers, because her
Hmm.
videos are usually 12 videos, and she 12 minutes or 15 minutes, and she would release at least 10 videos in a month.
In a month. Yes, yes, yes. I think
So her,
any YouTube. Yes, yes.
yes, so she would pay somewhere around 12 to 15,000 rupees to one subtitle writer, and that subtitle writer would have multiple clients,
Clients. Yes, yes.
right? So if they had four clients, they easily earned for 50,000 rupees a month.
Yeah, that is normal. Yes, easily.
Yeah,
I think that
and
is
I
just
felt that,
piece of cake.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
You were saying something, Rakesh. Please continue.
I was saying that is just piece of cake because there are multiple clients, and if they make any like organization or consultant, so they can hire someone, some more team, so that they would have more options and they would have more clients as well. So they could earn
Yes,
more. So that is why I'm saying it is just a piece of cake. Earning 5,000 to
yes,
50,000 rupees is just a piece of cake.
yes, yes. She also told that if somebody wants to go to subtitle writing and want to earn money as a freelancer,
Hmm.
then they could get their skills upgraded, like video editing skills and other skills, where they would add subtitles. I think it's a short 12-week course, and
Hmm.
I think on platforms it is for free generally. Like
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
don't
Hmm.
need to pay for these courses. I think you'll be able to find it on Coursera or Swayam, and
Hmm.
from
Hmm.
there
Hmm.
I think you will be able to learn. You, in the sense, anyone
Yes.
who wants to do the work.
Hmm. But I didn't
So
understand like
that is how
if
I
you are
see.
a
Oh,
yeah, sorry, I want to ask one question. Like if I am a subtitle writer, so how would I get paid? That is the thing I want to know.
so
Through
you
by
get
YouTuber
paid
or
by
like by the client, like my YouTube, I need to pay who just do such thing.
whoever is your client, whoever gave
Sorry?
you the job to write the subtitles. Hello?
Oh, yes, yes, I'm
Whoever
getting
gave you the
whoever.
job,
Hmm.
whoever
Okay.
gave you the job. So YouTuber could be your client. So YouTuber
Okay.
would pay you. Like in
Hmm.
case of
Hmm.
Shweta, Shweta directly pays to her script writers
Hmm. Hmm.
and
Hmm.
subtitle writers.
Hmm.
She directly pays via UPI, Paytm, or whatever is the
Hmm.
most
Hmm.
feasible
Hmm.
way to pay. That's how it works. You can
Yes, yes,
generate
that
your
is
own
good.
receipt invoice.
Yes, yes. And like one thing I came to know, like voiceover artist, its marketing is also like its demand is also booming nowadays. Like if you have story, like capability of storytelling, so you could work as a story like a voiceover artist, as a voiceover artist.
Correct.
So you could get paid more than enough, whatever you
Yes,
can
you
think of.
can.
Yeah.
Yes.
There are like so many
Rakesh,
options are there in on few apps like Fever, and there are so many apps. And if you are a web designer, or like if you are able to design a website, so you could earn more money. So there are several options. You can do lots of things nowadays. And even if you are good in English or at an intermediate level, you would have better so many options, I would say.
yes, that's true. We have got 3 minutes, Rakesh. Let's go through your English and let's
Yes,
have
yes.
some feedback.
Feedback.
So today I noticed that you had a couple of mistakes extra. Like generally you would
Mm-hmm.
not make a lot of mistakes, but today you did. For example, you mentioned I have not shared that much videos, that
Mm-hmm.
many
Yeah.
videos. Right? Videos is countable.
Mm-hmm.
You can count the number of videos you upload. So you use
Mm-hmm.
many
Many.
and not right. Other sentence was that I didn't get single rupees from YouTube. You mentioned
Mm-hmm.
single, but then you also said rupees.
It is
So either
true.
you say I didn't get any amount from YouTube, or you say I didn't
Mm-hmm.
get single rupee from YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You also mentioned I gave 1200 rupees to Kind Master. You did
Mm-hmm.
not exactly pay to Kind Master. You spent it on Kind Master.
Mm-hmm. I spent.
You did not. Yeah. You don't pay Clapingo, or you don't give any
Mm.
money to Clapingo. You spend on Clapingo.
Yes.
Yes. Moving
Understand.
ahead, you mentioned I am also great. When I said I'm great and how are you, you answered I am also great. When you place also before great, it means you are many other things, and along with those many other things, you are great as well. That I
Mm.
am happy, I'm sad, I am fresh, I feel fresh, and along with all these things, I am great.
Mm.
But here you wanted to say that along with you, Mansi, I am great too.
Mm-hmm.
So you can simply say also I am great. You
Also, I am
place
there.
also, yes, that would mean that along with other people, you are great as well.